So the sequence is going to start as a news report that comes to the entire audience, and the news report reads the miserable news of most of the people have seen the heavens because of the impact out of the industrial pollution emitted by VBJ chemicals. So this is a kind of a, very quickly we will have a sequence where the few people who are left in the World Health Organization, they are having a discussion. So see this discussion. All of you are the belonging to World Health Organization, and the person is talking about the news. Okay, so I am the chief and you all are World Health Organization fund இருக்காரு. அதனால ஒரு 2 minutes அதை பற்றி பேசணும். எப்படி பேசணும்னா we will speak that எவ்வளோ சொல்லி VBJ chemicals ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி இப்படி நிறைய ஃபேட்டாலிட்டிஸ் ஆகிடுச்சு, இனி நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் தெரியல அப்படின்னு சொல்லி we will discuss. And some of the people will give some solutions. Maybe அதில் தான் வந்து சர்ச் ஆஃப் அதர் பிளானட் அப்படிங்கிறத எமிட் பண்ணுறீங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம விகாஷ் உடைய பில்டிங்க்கு போயிடும். ஓகே, ரைட்? 3, 2, 1, go. So it's a sad day in the World Health Organization, and in the recent times you have been experiencing that we have been having only sad days. World Health Organization has become the center of eulogy. It has become the center of pathetic news. So likewise, officers, do you have any idea? Representatives, do you have any idea what kind of expedition plan we are going to have for the rest of the people? It was all because of VBJ chemicals. I hope you people have read the report. Because of VBJ chemicals pollution impact, again most of the people died. 20 years back there was a big world destruction, and the people were really fighting hard, and 35 became 50, 50 became some 125 or so, and 125 became few hundreds in these 20 years. But right now we are back to the square one because of the pollution, and those guys minted a lot of money, and they have started lots of branches all over the country, and threats got doubled, tripled, quadrupled and multiplied.
We need to stop their plans, chief.
Or destroy the companies.
They will look for another companies. They should again kill more people.
How are we going to do it, sir? We
To
don't
destroy the
have
earth
the
itself.
help of any other nations also.
What prevents?
Most of
As per your records and as per your research, what prevents and what is stopping the country from? I mean, are they protected by the dynamic? Okay, we understand that the hierarchy contains the ministers. Don't we have any measures to stop the ministers from doing
we
it?
want evidence for that. We can take, sir, we have the necessary evidence, sir. It's become more of a hierarchy now, sir. Since they are the only persons in power, they are controlling almost everything.
Okay,
It is all
Even the power.
right.
It is all because of them, chief. The social reformers in India, they have advised them about all these, and they know all the facts about this, and they have advised them. There were lot of arguments raised in the parliament, and these ministers were dominating with the help of the Minister of Forestry Department and his PA to chief. Subsequently, they had a conference with the foreign people who wanted to establish the factory here.
We have been doing the mistake. You spoke about social reformers. We have never given any sort of centralized power to the social reformers. The ministers walked over the shoulders of the social reformers because they did not give the power. So World Health Organization officers, you both officers should do a favor. You just release a press report to the government of India stating that you will be appointing the airman Peter Robinson, who is been working as from the Indian Army, and give some power to the social reformers. Okay, so put them in power. So that the power should be in such a way that the local ministry and the country's ministries, even the country's ministry should not be doing anything against the power that has been given to the social reformers. They report directly to us.
Okay.
Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Please. So now, in the World Health Organization, it has been decided that the social reformers who are only speaking without any title, they are given the title now. And the WHO also organizes a kind of a demonstrated party headed by one person called as Peter Robinson, who has been helping Andy being in the Indian Army. So the social reformers are getting even more dynamic. Without knowing this, Vikash, Dinesh, and John and his friends, Richard, and Karthik, and Anwar, are again having parties. So people are really having a doubt about the supreme powers, why these people are not being punished. 20 years. Yes, 20 years. Most of the people died, but these guys did not have a scratch on the body. So that sometimes karma's unfair delay. Yeah, Brini. That sometimes karma's unfavorable delay. So that's what we are going to see. So 20 years later, after VBJ Chemicals, so these guys are planning something else. So here, the social reformers are waiting in VBJ headquarters, but these people are not having any care, and they are really the same. Let's see how it
Who
happens.
brings up the space in this?
Who brings it?
The space, the explanation.
Social reformers. You will bring it.
But if they bring it, how will they send the verse to them? The verse
Okay, you
people.
tell me. So, answer me.
Anyone from Delhi is just a Merry Christmas.
So we will make Harina do that. Any question, Harina? Here, go to that.
Stop it. I am the Ramesh Dharan.
Hey, here
We can go to the space.
we
I
can go
am
to the
that
space.
Ramesh today.
I am the Richardson. என்னன்னு புரியுதா? அப்ப கேளு. அப்ப என்ன சொல்லணும் நீ? டக்குனு எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் மீ சார், கேன் ஐ கெட் a clear picture அப்படின்னு நீ சொல்லணுமா இல்லையா? இப்போ நான் சொல்லாம நான் பாட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டு போயிருந்தேன் அப்படின்னு என்ன பண்ணிருப்பேன்?
Day கூட்டத்துல going out.
Now he will speak.
கொஞ்சம் சொல்லு.
Anna, you are bringing up an idea that we can explore and we can find out a new planet to call Mona and we can say it in your own style.
உலகத்துல இருக்கக்கூடிய ரிசோர்சஸ் எல்லாம் அழிஞ்சு போயிட்டதுனால, இப்போ அழிச்சதுக்கு காரணமே விவிஜே காரணத்தினால, நம்ம சேவ் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு நம்மளுக்கு வேற ஒரு பிளானட்டுக்கு போகலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு சொல்றது மட்டும் இல்லாம,
நான் ரிசர்ச் பண்ணிருக்கேன் அப்படின்னு
என்ன தமிழ்ல பேசினா
மினிஸ்டரோட பிஏ வந்து ரிசர்ச் பண்ணிருக்காரு சார்.
இந்த மேட்ரை சீக்வன்ஸே அவனுக்கு இப்போ சொல்ல புரியும். அதுக்கு ஒரு ரிசர்ச் பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு
என்ன வேணும் சொல்லுங்க.
என்ன சொல்லு பார்ப்போம். ஓகே,
முஸ்ஸைல சொல்லணும்.
ஸோ சோஷியல் ரிஃபார்மர்ஸ் அண்ட்
Excuse me,
பீப்புள்.
sir.
யா,
So sir, when they go to space, sir, shall I be the, I don't know how to say it, sir.
Say it in
Shall I be
master.
the controller of the ship, sir?
இல்லை ஸ்பேஸ் கிராஃப்ட் பற்றி பேசுகிற ஒரு சீக்வன்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல, அங்கே நீ பேசு.
Yes, sir. That's only, sir.
கண்ட்ரோலிங் தி ஸ்பேஸ் கிராஃப்ட்.
Yes, sir.
கூகுளில் தான் படிச்சு வச்சுருக்கோம்.
Wikipedia.
ஏய் பிரபஞ்ச விக்கிபீடியா வந்து பேண்ட் ரைஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க.
சிவகார்த்திகேயன் படத்தை திருக்குறள் படிச்சிருக்கேன், ராகினி ஜூனியர் எல்லாம் படிச்சு விக்கிபீடியா பேஜ்.
பரவாயில்ல, ஏதோ ஒரு ரிசர்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறேன்றான். நிதின் முருகன், do you hear me? நிதின் முருகன்,
Sir?
do you hear me?
Sir, yes, sir.
So yesterday you were off, so you got any idea what's going on?
No, sir. But I know it's a sir, but I don't know what they're doing right now, sir.
Okay. So Mitra will explain to you quickly.
Okay, sir.
So Nitin, the skit that is going on, moderator is Kalpitaka. She only administrated this skit, and there were 3 to 4 sequence happened yesterday, and this skit's name is Boomerang. So it is actually like the whole world, the 3/4 of the world has been destructed, and here the roles are Varsharanna, Nagaranna, then Sir are playing Binesh, John and Vikas Sharma respectively, and these crowd of people are ministers, and Hariharanna is PA of one minister, and Anwar is
கார்த்திக்
Karthik is another PA, and Anwar is also. So here we have social reformers too. So when they are having a parliament discussion, the social reformers are trying to say that the world has been destructed, and these people, that is the ministers, are trying to establish a factory, that is a company in India, but social reformers are advising them not to do so, but they are not going to follow that, and they have a discussion. The second sequence was all about getting bribe from the foreign people who wanted to establish their company in India. So they get bribe about 120 crores, and that is how they are establishing the company here. And they use this, that, and they are facing they are facing the press media, and they have asked some questions, and they answer those questions, and that's how yesterday's sequence got completed. And now the further sequence is all about, like, we have to say a new solution. So we are meeting, the company's name is VBJ, that is Vikas Sharma, Binesh and John. That's not actually like that. Victory, bravery and joy. So that
good, very good, very good. Nice. So the point is, Nitin, because of starting that vulnerable company, most of the people have died, and there is a heavy damage that has happened, and it is 2 decades later, 20 years later. So 20 years later, again the world restriction, it's like Thanos snap because of VPJ chemicals. So everybody is restricted, and the cunning people are still living, alive and kicking. And at the same time, the social reformers are also alive and they have been shouting. Unlike the last time, now the social reformers are given the powers. So these guys, the antagonist guys, don't know anything that has happened. So we are going to have it, and you are one among the people who are joining from the video conference as social reform. As a matter of fact, everybody in the online is a social reform. Right. So we are going to have a sequence.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Got it, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So, sir, I'm supposed to be your PA, right, sir?
In this sequence, yeah, you are playing the same Ramesh role.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So, the next sequence, venue, Vikas Sharma's bungalow, and people, the main friends of Vikas Sharma, all the ministers, and the social reformers waiting in the reception, having the hope that Vikas Sharma will let them in. And these people are going to plan and getting ready for the questions that are going to be asked by WHO and the parliament. Yes, they are a little disturbed. Let's see how far it goes.
You want to be in the sequence, sir?
I'll be here. Social reformers உள்ள வந்தோனே இவனை தூக்கி இங்க நடுவுக்கு உட்கார வச்சு. நான் தான் விகாஸ் சர்மா. ஓகே, நான் வந்து பீட்டர் ராபின்சன் செஞ்சேன். ஸ்பின் ஆஃப் பண்ணி. ஓகே, ரைட். நீ விகாஸ் சர்மா தான் கிட்ட பேச. I want 75 crores சொல்லிடுறேன்.
சொல்லிட்டீங்கன்னா நாங்களாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிப்போம் நீங்க டிரைவ் இவ்வளோ வாங்கிருக்கீங்க. ஓகே, சொல்லுங்க.
Okay, so 3, 2. இல்ல அவங்க இங்க இருப்பாங்க. ரிசப்ஷன்ல வெயிட் பண்றாங்க. வெளிய போனா இங்க
வெளிய இருந்து வர சொல்றேன்.
இல்ல அது ஒரு பட்டன் அமுத்தணும் ஸ்கிரீன் அப்படி இது பண்ணனும். அதான் பண்ணிக்குவோம்.
அவன் சொன்னான்னு சொன்னேன் சார்.
3, 2, 1 go. Because of me. All because of me.
What because of you?
B, and then only J. Okay. B. No. B.
First B.
First
B. It's BVJ.
Okay.
Okay.
Instead of
I got
focusing
blood
that
pressure
place.
now, I got sugar now.
You got busy.
Sir, you're 70 years old now. You should be alive with your.
No, I'm not 70. You
80,
Then 69.
69.
Okay.
I was 49 when we started. I was 40 when I was 40 when we established BBJ. See, the problem is, it's not about the parliament. Previously, the social reformers were speaking in the parliament and we were finding it so easy. Now, World Health Organization is sitting on my head.
Why?
It is not
You
easy.
tell that. You tell.
They,
You will crush them.
Hashtag, huh?
Who is the?
I don't know. See, they should have sent some staff. You need to.
What they will do? They will ask questions. That's it, right?
No.
On that day,
Yeah.
20 years ago, you remember? There was no press meet.
Where 20 years back you were more like youngsters. Now you have got your own limitations.
Just
I mean, let's say-
42 years
Now
old.
you said a powerful word, experience. Okay, powerful word.
The real limits, you guys have forgotten the real limits. We cannot shout as we used to do in the back 20 years.
Give me
ago.
mic.
We cannot stick on to the point.
I will
So
just,
you can do it,
Yes.
right?
I will just speak a around this call.
Hear me out completely. We have to go back to our vault, the money vault. So we need to.
1,000 miles you have. Money what?
Only 20 rupees we have.
No.
I got. Yeah.
Big 20.
I got big 20
Speaking
rupees.
about the buffer 20 crores, right?
Yeah.
I'm speaking about the main vault you did.
Oh, mean what?
Meanwhile, okay.
You got to apportion some money. We don't know which representative is going to come from the UNO or WHO or UNICEF or. We will lock them out with the money. Okay? Right? And these social reformers, I got the. Ramesh, is there anyone who's waiting in the reception?
You will send me that.
Sir, Rowan, sir.
Sir,
Then what is it, nice Ramesh? What you are talking?
I have a notification, sir. Someone is there, sir.
3 members, three ladies are waiting. Who are they? Idiot. What kind of surveillance system you are having?
Stupid.
I have surveillance system. Give me
Mental.
one.
1 second, sir. I was in the.
That might be a security breach as well. Go check it.
Was preparing,
Sir,
sir, how are you?
World Health Organization
Talent.
Notification.
என்ன வெத்தலை நை போட்டு பார்க்கலாம்.
இப்படின்னா
Okay, whatever.
New technology.
ஓ ஐ சி
I got a dream where
No.
What did you say?
That all happened in 1963.
I got a real dream, man. It was a nightmare.
You had
That's
what
what
to say?
that's what yes.
Yes.
What did you say?
I had a dream as if I'm pushed into the jail and
What?
you also sentenced.
What?
You
Me?
both are also
Yes,
sentenced
you.
and you are alone.
Yes, go.
Let's go somewhere.
Hey, I think it's getting more serious. I mean, the newspaper is reading about World Health
And
Organization.
the
You guys
next
put the fight on your police.
I'm literally scared, man. I'm literally scared.
The newspaper is reading only 15%. What you think?
What they're talking about?
Huh?
I'm getting what I'm forgetting English also.
You see, one of the spy that we had in World Health Organization and in the government, they say that they have got a separate community that is built up and set up against all of us.
You
Exclusively.
said that they are given with some power.
Tell them the
What?
coordinates of the community. I will phone call. We will tell them that there is an anti-Indian
Who
there.
will go
Then
there?
You mean the abstract
yes,
and the sniper.
Yeah.
yes, not sniper and all. Directly
Directly.
new
We have already killed many people with the ABJ chemicals, BBJ chemicals. See, I'm blabbering.
Yeah.
My tongue is rolling.
Have Alzheimer's
Yeah.
disease.
Yes, old man.
We got some people also waiting.
We are new, don't we?
If they ask money, what will you do? You
We
have
are
like this.
unnecessary VIPs now. So many people are looking at us. I think we have earned. I think we have done beyond our qualifications.
You will die in another 3 years.
Yeah,
You have
yes,
another
yes.
25 to
What do you
go.
think?
You brand for. That's it.
தப்பில்லை sir, கையில தரும். Someone is knocking the door. Let them in.
He will face. Don't tell.
Hey, Ramesh, let them in.
He will face.
Hey, idea.
Yes,
Sir,
about
and
that.
I have that they told that they are social reformers. Sir.
Yeah. Oh my God.
How come they haven't died already?
Those old ladies.
Yeah, everyone died, but they are still.
You know, they are like whales in the sea. They are like whales in the sea.
Okay, Tata, bye bye, salam. அப்படி முடியலாம்.
They
No,
must have
total shut out ஆயிடுச்சுனா.
Okay, bye bye.
called start call code. Cancel பண்ணி start call.
யார் பண்ணது?
I joined with video புடிச்சு போடு இல்ல நம்மளது lag unmute பண்ணு. So, record. அது அப்படித்தான் நம்மளுக்கு ஆமா ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் வீடியோ எடிட் பண்ணும்போது நான் தேங்க்யூ 3 நிமிஷம்
இது எல்லாம் add பண்ணீங்க, super.
YouTube கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
Mixing.
இன்னைக்கு வீக்லி
Yeah, நல்லா இருக்கு சார்
ஆமா சார்.
YouTube
Song.
கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க.
அப்படியா
நானும் போட்டேன் சார்.
தேங்க்யூ பார்த்தேன் இனிமே எல்லாருக்குமே டோன்ட் ஷட் த கால் அவுட் ப்ளீஸ் போட்டு
அது அப்படியே ஒரு நாள் கிளாஸ்
கார் சட்டப் பண்ணனா நீயே போடு வெளிய போயிடு.
You have always been remaining silent as a Zen monk. At least speak now.
I think he cut his vocal. Hey, you're speaking. You just
You.
shut up.
Hey! We just shut up, okay?
4 years younger than you, okay?
Are you kind of an assassin or something? You're always speaking about murders and taking away the rights of the people.
Shut up, John.
Hey.
Oh, you are very saint, eh? Well, start in VBG.
You should have.
Yeah,
Hey,
What
hey,
are the
Vinesh.
biggest party?
You should have let
Stop
us
there.
speak.
அம்மா.
What the earthquake is this?
Who do you think you are, eh? Hrithik Roshan.
What
will
is
say
happening
stop
now?
this.
What are you talking now?
What are you talking about? I am
I
talking
gave
English,
you-
not
I
what
gave
is
you-
going.
Look at countably said this.
I gave him boost today morning. I think 2 tablespoon I increased. So only this boy pongi for you. Come down, come.
We are shocked.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hey, don't die.
One, do it again, Rob.
You don't touch him.
Hey, you know, you react again, Ra.
Oh.
Don't sweat. Don't sweat. Do
Like
it
I
again.
was
Do it again.
saying, you should have left him as a PA in the past.
Yes.
Why did you make
You
him?
only went
You only
in
married him.
buffoon.
69 years old.
Now it's our earth is destroying. We
I'm
should
not this
find
Oh yeah, it's fine.
find earth.
Find
Find
the
earth.
earth.
Where is fighting the earth? Yeah, look down. That is the earth.
Look up, that is the earth. Look right, look left, look everywhere.
Oh, Rama.
What do you think you are, eh? After he also got 20 crores, no?
Hey,
ஏன்னா நம்ம இடத்துல தானே இருக்கு எப்படி எடுத்து கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது?
Hey you!
அட அதிமேதாவி planet ரா, another planet ரா.
Another earth டா, another
இது
planet.
respect. இவனுக்கு போய் கொடுத்து பாரு நீ.
இவன் சுட்டு விட்டு இன்னொரு இடத்துல இருந்தாங்க நீ
ஏய், நீ இதை சொல்றீங்களா? யார் யாரு
Correct, வாட்டி பிரச்சனை
பாருங்க சார் இந்த இந்த ஃபன்ல கிடைச்சிருக்குமா சார் நீ ஒரு நாள் நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணிட்டு நீ பண்ற
அதை விட நீங்க
அது வெரி பில்ட் வேற ஸ்டாப் இட் அப்படின்ட்டு எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு we have to find a
நீ கத்துற
மளிகை சாமான் மாதிரி ஏகப்பட்டிருக்கு நினைச்சிருக்கியா எதுமா
ஒரே இதுதான்டா வேற பிளானட் சொல்லு
இல்ல நான் நரகனை பத்தி சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன் அதாவது இவனை மினிஸ்டர் ஆக்கி கூடாது அப்படின்னு பேசும்போது
Take three.
மறுபடியும் வா டேக்
சரி
3
சார்
ரைட் 3 2
Stop this and திருப்பி
இரு
வெரி நீ வா சரி
திருப்பி சொல்லணும்.
Hey!
ஆமாண்டா முதல்ல ஆரம்பிடா
3 2 1 take 3
Take 4.
like I was telling you should have left him as a P.
I didn't do
You
that
are
yeah.
the minister,
I
buffoon.
got
69 years
Why
old
do you call it? Why are you shouting?
It is a medical 69-year-old Qatar 69-year-old.
You are a disgrace for friendship.
No,
Idiot.
okay, 68 years, okay?
You are my friend and he is
69
your
years old.
No, 68.
Okay, 68 days, 420.
Ah, okay.
68 days, 420 days. Hey,
I am the industry minister.
Hey, medical.
Why am the industry minister?
இவனுக்கு எக்ஸாம் வாங்கி கொடுத்தீங்களா?
correct தான்.
மாஸ்க் போடு நீ ஒன்றும் கத்தவனா வேணாம் நீ அப்படியே ஆரம்பி நான் சொல்லும்போது நீ ஆரம்பி நீ கத்த வேணாம் டேய் நீ ஏன்டா அவனை ஏற்றி விட்டு
நான் கட்டலாம் சொன்னேன்.
அவன் மாஸ்க் எல்லாம் சட்டையெல்லாம் கட்டிடுவான் போட்டு
சட்டை
தண்ணி spells. நானா தண்ணி குடிக்காம இருந்துடி.
ஏய் யாராவது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்கடா அவனுக்கு அட்லீஸ்ட் அவனுக்கு பதில் அன்கோவர்
ஓகே
பண்ணுடா
சார் விட்டுறேன் சார் அவன் சொல்லிட்டு சார் நீ சொல்ற அப்படியே ஸ்டார்ட் கண்டினியூ பண்ணி ஸ்டார்ட்
சரி நீ ஸ்டாப் தான் கத்த வேண்டாம் நீ பேச ஆரம்பிச்சோன்னு ஓகே ரைட்டா 3 2 1 go you call
Stop this. Now it's of our Earth is destroying, and we want to find another planet.
What? Another planet?
another planet.
Who do you think you are? Rakesh Mama, when you will go, when you will come.
What is mean by when now? You mean when
You are getting old, man.
Okay.
My
yeah
Excuse me, sir.
yes Ramesh
So, sir, as you told, sir, you know that we have a spy in NASA, sir. So, he's a good spacecraft operator, sir.
okay
So, as the money we have, we can buy a spacecraft and we can do it, sir.
Yeah, okay. We will go.
spacecraft we have that much money
We don't need to buy and all. If we go to the ISRO compound, everyone is there. We can just take and go.
No one is there. Yeah, only one is there.
and also along with the spy find another sniper carrying assassin and put a bullet straight to this idiot
Who is it? Tell his name.
Ash.
speaking about you are going to be the victim
Huh? Me?
so this Johnson and Johnson
No, no,
baby
no.
who has been the scam for the
John,
past 20
only
years
John.
so you are meddling with the friendship
No, 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 no.
you are having
Johnson.
you are having this kind of
Johnson.
you are having this kind of asymmetrical thinking
No.
to who is
No,
so
no, no,
important.
no.
Is it Vikas Sharma who is important or John who is important? I can take this
Is
guy out
that
of this
important?
hierarchy in a snap of a
Is that
finger.
important? Is that important?
You are making it important.
We
So,
want
I'm not
to
important.
save from this.
You are important.
Have you
Everyone
made anything?
important.
Okay, fine. So it looks like you are coming up with a justice idea. What space? I mean, do you have any choice? Have you made any research or something?
Yeah, I found a spaceship that we can do from the less cost.
That's what my PA is also saying. Unlike your PA, my PA is very sensible. You understand that?
I only gave the idea of going this way.
Yeah.
Sir. Why that I
He
know?
only gave the idea of going to buy a
Okay, stop
spacecraft.
fighting.
We don't want to buy itself. I'm saying you.
Why do you shout?
Your PA
You are
is a
shouting.
good spacecraft operator and he has a spacecraft. So,
I.
Yeah, you have
Which planet are we going to? Jupiter.
From from the Earth, the distance is 10,000 kilometers. So we want to travel for the 2 years or 5 years. The
He is lying. If we want to go to Pandora, which is one of Jupiter's moon itself, it will take 11 million light years. I saw in James Cameron's 2009
No,
Avatar.
spacecraft is very as fast as light, right?
What you are thinking this is? Imperial Falcon.
No,
He's lying like in Star Wars.
You all speak with all the Hollywood movies and then police will come and arrest all.
Okay, then we will call them and we will say
You
this
speak
idea.
with social reformers, you understand?
They
You
don't
see-
have brain, we
Okay,
say this
right,
idea.
your idea is taken. Now what we will do is,
Okay.
see, in order to make those ladies
I have a
please.
doubt.
What?
Where we will get the spaceship and how should we buy it?
Yeah, I will
This Dumbo will arrange for all that because he's with a big mouth and he will arrange all that. You have to take the
I will.
responsibility.
I'm a dumb boy. Huh?
You are a Dumbo.
Jumbo.
You're
He
oxygen
is a
supply
Jumbo,
and
you are a
go and see.
My brother Dumbo, I am your brother Jumbo.
Both.
You understand? See, in order to make them feel special, I myself will go and welcome. So they will feel like, oh, Minister, just.
Okay.
Where's my Vincent?
Right? So I'll show you on the way when I'm
I will
there.
accompany you.
We both will go?
Okay. This
No,
one.
no. Me and you.
Oh, okay.
Because they have the biggest rivalry. Only between you, I mean, between you and me.
Sure, they don't have rivalry with me. That's what you're saying.
So this guy is just a piece of trash for us.
Sappa guy, huh?
Which actually he is. So we both will go and we will greet him. Okay? Are
You
you
give
ready?
me step and come okay?
Yeah, you be.
Yeah, when I have then you come there, okay?
Right, so we will go to that instance.
Snacks or not? For them, I mean. Not
Ah,
for
he will
me.
bring.
Not for me, for them.
I have already arranged for.
I'll give you a plate of hot dog. I'll send it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Alright.
So, sir, as they are coming, shall we increase the security, sir?
No, சொல்றேன். Let's wait for the sequence. Now, Vedashan.
No, not needed. I am the biggest security for it.
No, not needed. Dinesh is along with me. Don't worry, Ramesh. I'm really happy that I have appointed you as a PA. For the past 25 years, you have worked very well.
It's my work, sir.
Vicky Sarma.
You go first. I will scan it.
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome.
We told you that the war will
Hello.
Hey, come.
We
Welcome.
told you that the war will necessary not.
Madam, please come.
What step are you going to take next?
We will
This
speak
step.
all that.
This step.
The war
Welcome.
It is so important. The war is carrying Go first,
If you
please.
used to call me, my mind is a milk face. You're making it a kind of an authentic.
We told you how many
Even
times
discussing
we
the-
told you.
Ma'am.
This
It
is
doesn't matter. What is out there? We must see. What
Discuss.
the train is going up.
Break means what?
Ma'am.
You just come to the conference call. You will discuss.
Ma'am.
Okay, this is reception. Please.
Ma'am.
You go now.
Yes, sir.
Could you please stand up from the reception hall, come to the main entrance, please.
Or he will pick you.
Thank you.
No, pick you, Shara.
Pisa, Kirtana and Mitra,
Yes, sir.
at any point of time you can call Peter Robinson. Dead.
How come you can call Peter Robinson? And you call Peter Robinson.
At any point of time you can call Peter Robinson and then I will sit so spin off.
Okay,
Even
sir.
you want to come Peter Robinson seat வேணும் எல்லாரும் பார்த்த மாதிரி மினிஸ்டர் இங்க உட்கார்ந்துருக்கு அப்படி பீட்டர் ராபின்சன் வந்தாலும் மினிஸ்டர் இங்க உட்கார்ந்துருக்கு அப்படி நான் போட சென்டர்
Hey, sorry, I'm with her.
இங்க நம்ம தான ராஜா விட்றா.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome, ma'am. This way, please.
Welcome.
This way, please.
Welcome.
We might be having several bungalows, but this is the best
But
one.
you are trying to problem. You are keeping our word and your welcome in the stand. Your welcome.
Are you welcome?
Providing this.
Stop speaking.
Namaste.
Sit down.
Namaste. Wait.
We have solution for this.
Having a good day. What solution you have?
Richard
Lemon
has got,
solution.
wait, Richard has got a solution.
What solution he has?
Richard
Lemon,
has-
honey, sugar solution.
Yeah, lemon juice.
This is important. We
Richard.
believe only in him. Let him speak.
Richard.
You did not speak.
Okay.
Tell the kind of
Bring them here, Lemon.
solution that you can speak.
Now we have some aircrafts that we can travel to the space. So we can take them and go to space. Now it's just the Earth is destroying. Half of the Earth destroyed. So we can save from us and people.
We have space operators also, ma'am.
My co-minister, what he is saying is, we shall hire a spacecraft. John here has made all the arrangement. We need not buy. That will be a kind of a filthy expense from the government's money because you know that they are.
Filthy expense?
No. Wait.
Wait a minute.
So that's. I mean, if you are buying a spacecraft, that's an unnecessary expense from the government because that money can be used for the welfare of the people, right? So that's why John has given me the idea that we will hire a spacecraft and we will go to that space and we will take all these people. Spacecraft. We can hire a couple of spaces. That idea was given by John and given by Richard.
International Space Station. Whole new meaning to it.
Exactly.
Are you making fun here? You are not able to maintain the earth itself. You are going for the another planet.
There is only one choice. You got to have the belief on us. You understand?
Do
that?
or die.
Yeah,
How
do it.
can we believe?
20 years we have-
Under the industry. And because of- wait 1 minute.
How many people
Use-
died? Nobody
How
died.
many people died
Nobody died because
We
of
are
us.
having the reports now. So
Because of your
all the
industry,
people.
many people have died. No,
What
they
was the
died
ailment?
because of
Hey, wait
chemicals, not of us.
Hey, wait, what ailment did they have to die because of our industry?
Yes.
You are in
What is the proof?
Someone injected gun. Many people were killed. Will you blame that person? What is this?
Sir, what is the proof, sir?
So you are
Oh my
Hey,
God.
the report that don't ask for proof.
Good question.
Looks like they have got some, their voice, their body language, everything is changed, unlike the last time.
Yeah, what they will do? They'll ask me questions.
That is the only
after
program.
social reforms.
At least.
social. You sit down, enough of respect for them.
Before that, we need to know one thing.
Okay, I'll strike it. I'll strike it. You see, your name is China.
Archana,
I'm senior enough. Okay, well consider me as your proof.
CC 20, that's it.
20.
20.
What?
20.
This is an
15.
What 15, 20?
12 per person.
Yeah.
12.
Yeah.
No.
See?
No. Yeah. Okay, 20 years should be done.
Yeah, okay,
You are in a rental house. So we also think that you are preparing a lot of archaeological projects and you are sending it to the other countries so that you can do some real level of social contribution. We, myself, Vinesh, John, we three will set up a separate unit, a kind of an excellence center for you. Okay, and we will be able to pay the kind of funds it is located for the other operations.
Yes, sir, help.
At last,
So
we
a
give
clinic and 25 lakhs Indian net weight currency. So that will be in that way. I mean that's VBJ
Yeah, you said
special
it.
trust. That's not the VBJ special
Yeah,
trust.
trust,
right?
yeah, that's
so
what
it's charity. Don't think that we are bragging. No. It's
Peter.
What is bribe? How is bribe?
My name is Vikash. Sir.
I call Peter. Peter Robinson.
Hey, I will call Peter Robinson. Who's Peter Robinson?
Yeah,
Who's Peter Robinson?
If you call like
How
this,
did you
won't
know
come.
his full name?
Peter?
Hey, how did you know his full name? She only said Peter. How did you know?
No.
his full name?
Peter.
Hey, you're a spy or something?
No, Peter.
Uh,
Someone is robbing. Robbie. I took the Robbie. And he is someone's son. So Robbie's son. That was my idea.
Peter Robinson, come here. I will not Robinson, Peter. That's
Another
not
social
okay.
reform.
No.
Oh, I will welcome them. Then 20 years, again 20
No,
years.
no,
Last
no.
I go.
Sit down, he will come.
One day 20 years.
Hey,
What
get the
20?
checkbook. The checkbook will speak.
Okay, blank check. Hey, write the check now. Your check, not mine. Okay, my concern.
Peter Robinson வந்தோடனே இங்க மினிஸ்டர் இருக்கான்னு விகாஷ் சர்மா விகாஷ் சர்மாவை அந்த ஊருக்கு போக சொல்லிட்டு பீட்டர் ராபின்சன் விகாஷ் சர்மா நான் அப்பதான் நான் கவர் ஆகும்
Okay, sir. No problem.
விகாஷ் சர்மா மாதிரி பேசு
4 black check.
Yeah,
What is
see,
this?
four blank check.
What?
Hey,
What?
you need
What?
to
Blank
sign
check.
it.
We won't accept this.
Okay, you need
Are
to
you
check.
saying
Okay.
minus?
No.
Finish the.
He just kept the black check there. What? You are just assuming things.
You only told.
Who are you, man? Bloody fool.
Hey, who are you?
Hey, bouncers and that, please.
Ramesh. No.
Wait.
Bouncers and that should stay outside, okay?
Peter
Who are you?
Robinson
Bloody
விகாஷ்
dog.
Come here.
Who are you?
Hey, take the gun. We called him. Better call you. Call him.
Yes,
Yeah,
Peter.
call him.
Okay, calm down.
Peter Robinson, come here.
Bouncer, why, Mr. Bouncer, why are you here? Why is the bouncer here?
To bounce or
To bounce.
Very funny joke. Stay quiet. I am senior citizen. I will die.
Take your hands.
Sir, no.
Take your hands. Guns, sir. Take your hands.
Call me Peter Robinson.
Mr. Robinson.
Hey, Potter. Potter.
But see, Peter.
Sent from Indian Army.
Indian Army.
Yes.
We thank you
He's
for
a
your
minister.
service.
He's a minister. Potter. Go.
Peter Robinson reporting match.
Mr. Peter Robinson, go this.
what type of
Oh my God.
Peter.
Hey, you.
Please take your seat, sir.
Vikas sir,
He's getting old. I told you, no.
why are you quiet? Ask him something. Why are you quiet?
Because they are saying to sit here.
Because
They are saying to sit here.
don't obey them.
Peter.
You are minister
Stand
here.
him and sit down.
Obey your weapons. Weapons in Vikas sir. Vikas sir, how can you allow that?
Industrial minister. You are industrial minister now. How can you do that now?
He's not in this minister. He's Peter Robinson now.
Yes.
Hey, red light is awesome.
Sit down.
Can you change it to green light? I don't like red.
Sit down.
Peter, change it to green light. I don't like red. Red means negative. Green means positive. Change it, please.
We will talk on a very decent manner. You understand? We will talk on a decent manner. Ask your friends to sit down.
Hey, Vikas Sharma,
What you will do?
Ask your friend to sit down.
what you will do? Oh my God! இல்ல, சாப்பிட்டு முடிஞ்ச. Hey, hey!
Stay here. Please understand that there is no necessity for the arms over here. Those two pistols.
Shooting anyone, I'm going. You're shooting anyone.
Sit down. Those
And
two
even he
pistols.
will be shooted.
Those two pistols are given for their protection. Let me give you a piece of information. Shut up. That's what I'm coming to say. They are no longer social reformers.
Oh, say, no longer social from get out then. Why are you talking like this? Piece of cash.
It is going to be a flash of a second for me to load original bullets instead of the dummy bullets that I shot you. You understand?
But
Okay.
that will get this reaction.
Proud of pain.
They are appointed by UN and the World Health Organization. And I am the person who will be safeguarding their potential problems. You understand?
Why?
What is your address?
Sorry?
Your address?
Peter Robinson, India.
Your address.
You need something
How
else.
Your other number?
Dubai Kurd Sunday.
No, sir.
Why
We
not?
send gift baskets. We send gift baskets.
What do you ask?
For everyone who comes into Vikas mansion, we will send gift baskets, sir. Like Ambani used to do now that day before he died.
You want my address now?
You are.
See, they know only talking. I know only attacking. So I'm here. Okay, if you call me a if you call me a bouncer, okay, so be it. But for one moment, all of you sit down,
Are
be
you from
silent,
Indian Army?
and listen to them. They have something to say and listen to them. You
Yes.
understand?
Time is going on, please. Continue. You don't have time.
கால் ஆட்டக்கூடாது, அப்பா
Sir.
காலாது.
Chumma.
ஆமா.
So is this the last solution you are giving?
Yes.
This is the best solution. Ask him if you want. Peter Robinson.
You yourself cannot rename it as the best solution.
Then what is the
So you
solution
can
now?
name it.
Okay, we let it there.
You got some social reformers, your own teammates out there. So
Now ask them.
please
First of all, ask them.
instruct them to speak. Okay, so Peter Robinson reporting to the social reformers who have joined along with my seniors over here. You can also speak and you can make these toys for brains, understand?
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Let him call.
Who want to speak? Is everything?
Sir, me.
Yes, yes sir. You can speak now.
You guys need to understand that the world is it's being destroyed because of you guys and your fascists. So please listen to them and accept whatever they're saying. And you yourself cannot say that you guys are giving the best solution. There are better ones.
But sir, they're not giving solutions. Sir. They're just shouting.
Whatever you're doing in return is wrong. Like, you need to listen to them first.
No sir, they're shouting and he is shooting. How can we?
Look, you're screaming before I'm even done talking. Let them talk first.
I told you it's one
Talk,
of them.
man.
Stop first. You talk second.
Try reforming the earth instead of searching for another planet.
How? One second. How do you suggest we reform this? Yes.
Stop the industry first.
Okay. Stop.
Industry.
We have to close all the branches.
Okay.
Of your
That is
industry.
how we will get
Okay.
results.
Okay.
Including
we
VBJ.
will have to instruct you that all the statutory documents of VBJ chemicals have to be flurried and have to be snatched out of the hands of the board of directors who are you.
But you need to
And it
talk
has
to
to
the
be
industrial
submitted.
minister, not to me.
It
Okay.
has to be submitted to the industrial minister is
Vote for a stop.
numb and dumb right now.
You because.
What?
I am going to set up some files and you need to sign all those
If
documents.
not, what you will
And
do?
I don't have anything to lose. And consider me as a henchman. If you are going to put flurry of bullets onto my chest, I will easily die. But as far as the purpose is concerned, as far as the potential purpose is concerned, I will do anything for making the purpose properly fulfilled. So as a senior minister, you got to sign, otherwise I'll put a bullet on your head. If I kill you, the world has become into the killing spree. And if I'm going to kill this industrial minister, nobody's going to
You're not
ask me.
supposed to touch him, okay?
He's a government official.
He's senior citizen that too.
Even we are accused of
Respect the
guns.
people and give them proper constructive answers, otherwise I will be harming him. And as a matter of fact, I can take his breath out.
At least the social reform.
At least you better understand. Whenever you are using, no, it's loaded. It's loaded.
Shoot up first.
Which part? Which part you want?
Yes.
Here?
Yes.
Here?
I will say which word. Can you shoot?
When you are using the word after, and at least it means you are hurting your own self. And that too against the girls you are not supposed to use.
Okay,
And
sir.
please understand, when the laser light is on, it means it's original bullet,
Sir,
not dummy bullet.
okay,
Yes.
sir. You take enough time. Okay. Someone did some aspirin also. Okay, ma'am. You are telling that you want to reform the earth. Okay. You reform the earth. We will submit the documents and we will try our solution. The more solutions we try, the more answers we get. The more answers we get, the more lives we save. Simple as that. Okay?
Okay.
We can't start another company. We can't believe in
Ma'am,
it.
how can we start a company in
It
space?
should be submitted in Supreme Court, and they might be giving a lifetime. And we need to take
If
the-
I let down.
You are actually
Let him stop,
accused now.
Sir, one
Tell him
doubt.
to stop for 1 minute.
Okay, Peter,
Let
wait.
them.
1 minute.
Sharing is caring. Let us share among ourselves.
For this point only you told him.
Yeah, you take care of reforming the self. You will go.
No.
You
You
go to
are
other
right.
No. Wait. No.
This is
What
not nice.
my respected honorable.
Keep your volume down when you are speaking.
How can you
Gentle.
always shooting?
Gentle.
Yes, sir. Very gentle.
You don't need 15 members are alive for the
No.
5 minutes.
If we die, that is just going to even more lessen the population of the earth. We agree that we might have made some mistakes.
Some mistake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very
Might
nice.
have made mistakes.
Everything.
Okay, we have made mistakes. We have made
Sir,
mistakes.
just shoot one of their mouths and they will all stop talking.
Mike, you got to keep the mic near the mouth. We are not able to hear you.
Sir, just shoot one of them, that one that's talking way too much. Shoot him with the real bullet so they will understand.
No.
At
I
your
am
service,
giving ideas.
officer.
I am giving ideas. Sir, officer, what is this?
Which guy you want me to shoot?
Sir.
Sir, he's a civilian and you are from Indian Army. You're not supposed to shoot him.
That one, sir, the one that you were pointing at.
No, he's a civilian.
I received the command to shoot you.
No laser light. So
No, it got broken. I broke it.
You want to check if the laser is
Please no shooting.
We don't want violence, sir. She is a pacifist like us.
Ask, listen, yes. Whoever is speaking, speak with the mic near to your lips. Kiran.
Sir, can you hear me now, sir?
Speak over. Wait, Kiran. Alright. Well, there is the volume placement. Yeah, okay, enough. Otherwise it will yell. Okay, back in character everyone. Kiran, you start now.
Sir, can you hear me now, sir?
Right, yeah.
Okay, sir. So, sir, this is supposed to be a meeting for ideas, not you can't just shoot people who are saying, telling ideas.
Kiran, you are a social reformer and you are supposed to support Peter Robinson. For heaven's sake, be into the script. If not, please ask Kalpita what you are supposed to do. Peter Robinson has represented the social reformer and you are also one among the social reformers. And you don't advise Peter Robinson not to shoot. Are you aware of your character here? Am I right? Are you aware of your character or not?
Yes, sir.
So here you are a social reformer. It is about everybody in the online, all the 3 girls over here, Peter Robinson, against these 5 members. That's the sequence that is going on. That's what Nitin Murugan said. Put a bullet into the head of the person who is yelling. And you are also supposed to be in the same page. And you are coming and advising Peter Robinson not to use arms. I got 2 orders. Order number 1 from them. Order number 2 from
Him.
order number 2 from from the police. I might be an army officer, but the police is looking for it. But we have only less amount of police officers alive in the department. But we've got plenty of army officers alive in our department actually. So you three are going to be arrested. Vikas, Dinesh and you.
For what?
So we are,
These two people are going to be sentenced to life prison. Okay, you understand? But you three might be hanged. And in that matter of fact, I will have to negotiate with these social reformers as well. After everything is settled between you, I will have to negotiate with them and I need to arrest you and I need to hand over to the respective department for getting the deserving punishment for you people.
You bloody god!
okay,
Oh,
you
sir,
give us, you
Another leg,
Sir, sir.
another leg, you
Sir,
swine.
sir.
want to give us punishment. Okay, we'll accept.
We'll give some.
We are ready to pay the punishment.
And
But
what's
what?
your plan?
I will tell you after he finishes.
Thank you sir for entertaining. What we have is, this itself is going to be a punishment for us, don't you understand? Four of us out in the cold, cold space, in the cold space, we are going to be going for how many years?
Mr. John, you're speaking about the future after 20 years. But as per the spiritual kind of ailment, whatever belief that I have, or you can call me as a kind of an old school person, you should have been punished in this past 20 years. In the past 20 years, you, Binesh, and this guy Vikas have been living a legendary life, I tell you. Because we, the mortal people, taking out of the kind of the designation that we have as ordinary human beings, we are fuming that you people are really living a luxurious life for the past 20 years without being disturbed by God. Even God has been unfair with you, and no longer it is going to be continuing, right?
Okay,
You have
because
you have to give the reply for each and every soul that has been
Okay,
taken.
what's your idea? Instead of fighting, we go
Surrender the documents to these social reformers, let them submit that to the World Health Organization, and as these three mentioned, come up with a resourceful idea. You are ministers, goddamn ministers.
Yeah,
come up with a resourceful idea to save God's earth and surrender yourself to the
Okay, let's
force.
do one thing. You go with your idea and we will go with our own idea.
Oh, you're
We're going with our own
to
risk, okay? You're not coming with us. We're going with our own risk.
Do whatever they want.
Yeah,
Again,
Leave
they're
it
going
like
to
that.
go and vain.
yeah, who cares? Leave it.
So let them go to space, that's what you're trying to say.
That's the script, okay? Follow that.
These people are also not speaking. Let them also accompany them.
So you might be the string bosses for me at this moment, as per what the World Health Organization says. But as far as Indian Army is concerned, you are supposed to listen to me. I cannot allow these guys to go to space.
No, let us do one
Select
thing together.
How much duration are you going to give for them to come back in case you were allowing them to go to space?
Maybe after they find another planet, after they
The
destroy
nearest
everything, after they destroy everything.
Madam,
they
don't you
come
think
back.
that is going to be an escape plan for them in the name of going for
What
a
are
search
we to do
of
with the
space?
space? We don't have enough
We-
food,
we
oxygen,
don't-
anything.
We don't even know if there's going to be a planet. All this we are basing on one
Yeah.
all this we are basing on research.
We are
Let
going
us
with
have
our own risk.
antisocial individuals too.
Now it's of the earth, when the tsunami or flood coming to us, we don't know. So we have a plan that we want to go to space and find another planet. That is a big punishment to the three of them.
Okay, go.
Leaving the motherland.
Accompany those antisocial individuals too.
Antisocial.
Yes.
Who is antisocial?
Everybody who are accompanied.
Except me, everyone.
Another like
Yes. What do you want?
Yes,
you're
please.
coming for a change this time.
Yes.
No,
come
no,
on.
how about the dance?
What do you want?
So since the social reformers are asking me to consider the idea, not asking me, they are actually giving me the command and I'm obeying the command unlike you rascals. Okay,
What is the final decision?
go to space, go to the goddamn space
then
and
leave
rot
it.
there.
We will take care.
Rot there.
Okay.
God is plus already.
Yes, we will be happy here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you know what has happened? BBJ chemicals are going to be locked up and all of your employees have been freed and they are going to be given the funds and the wall, the so-called main wall that Vikas Sharma, Vinesh and John, don't give that innocent look, okay? So you are very poor in acting, right? So don't pretend as if you are very
Me?
Yeah, you're
Me?
very poor in acting. Your ward has been taken care of. Reduce the volume. Your ward has been taken care of. You understand, right?
Yes.
So you have been catering to your own cattle.
Okay, leave us. We don't have enough time. We need to move.
Just in case we find any planet, how do we contact you? Will you come there or not?
All that arrangement has been made already. Do you think they are fools? They are having contact with UNO and World Health Organization, you idiots. They have got all the arrangements. The only thing is goddamn consent from yourself. But you know what? Now the consent is given by me because I did not captivate you so far. Come back from space. Come back and land that damn piece of spacecraft here. You'll be taken like a piece of.
We need to give.
You need to give me what?
Nothing.
Don't say it as a concern. We are ordering them and they have to do it.
Yeah, we will do it and we will find a better planet.
Okay, do. Let us see. Are you going to find up a solution? Finish. Or you are going to...
I'm looking at you, Mr. Binesh, like an eye of a tiger. And I'm really hungry and I'm going to take you for a break. Come back from space and you'll be really enjoying
Yeah, please be waiting, okay?
laundering.
Don't die soon. I will come back with a good news.
Who do you think you are
Hey,
asking
come,
right
let's
now?
go. Time says we come, let's go.
Finish the content another tank of fuel to the
You speak too
Come, let's
much.
go, come, let's go.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
No, how can you manhandle him?
Just because they have ordered me not to touch you.
What did you do? What are you doing?
Sit down.
Because come on, that's funny. Because sir, what this sir, he is doing all that.
You are 16-year-old.
Why are you blocking me?
we should
I should avenge all the deaths that
They
have
have to severely suffer this punishment. Let them suffer.
Oh,
Already this is a punishment going to space.
With the friend of how you land, Mr.
we are
Dinesh.
going to the international space station.
Anybody from the video conference would like to speak to them? Maybe a kind of an advice or thing for these rotten heads.
So may I, sir?
Yeah.
Sir,
Wow.
May I, sir?
may I,
Okay.
sir?
Out of character, the
Can I
sequence.
say may I, sir?
Out of character, the sequence goes like this: Balaji, Prabhuatya, and Kiran. Balaji starts. Back in character.
Sir, me too, sir.
Yeah, Nitin, you would be after Balaji. So Balaji, Nitin Murugan, Prabhuatya, Kiran. Go. Mirunaka fifth. Actually, Miruna fifth. So Balaji, Nitin, Prabhuaditya, Kiran Nandita, and Miruna. Come on, Balaji.
So you should be give respect to Peter Robinson. He is still like a good person to you. But why are you not obeying him when he's giving the orders?
He shoot at me.
Stop.
See how hard he hit him, his brain also collapsed.
Yeah.
He's forgetting English also.
Blah, blah, blah,
He's
blah.
commanding us, so only we are not obeying.
Blah, blah,
Yeah, Baba Black Sheep.
Next question.
They're not conducting press conference, you idiot.
Okay. Answer over, sir. Answer over.
Yeah. Yes, Nitin sir, you can ask.
That's
So,
all.
when you guys go to space, please don't come back. Just, that's my only advice. Just don't come.
So if we find alien also, we should not bring him. If we find water also, we should
No,
not bring him.
no, no. If you find a planet that
Keep the
will be
dignity of your
suitable,
speech.
you won't even know about it, and we will know. So we will. Not you.
I know only compressor. What is this compressor? I'm not getting it. What is this?
So,
Sir,
Chino.
sir, we can put that tiny one in jail.
Yeah, sure. Nitin, go ahead.
Sir, that was all I had to say. And one advice: if you guys find a bad planet, please don't look.
Stay there.
Yeah. I'm not saying it for you guys. I'm saying it for that poor rocket that you guys.
If you're in a better planet, you won't come there, right? Okay.
Why won't you come there if we can rebuild our lives there?
Whatever they say is going to be the final decision
No,
taken
no.
by the government.
Why won't you come?
Don't you don't act.
We are the government, okay? Actually,
Let
this
us
is
see
we are the
Decision
government.
only
Let us
now.
see what happens to
You are the
this.
government.
He is a forest minister, he is an industrial minister. Yes. They are the government. Resource minister.
Can you please give them the documents that they have been dismissed already? Give me the file.
Dismissed, we are,
What dismissed?
we are in the mission, okay?
There is a document that reads the false confidence on you minister's name. Vikas Sharma, Dinesh, John, Richard,
We don't
Anwar,
have time to read that and
Karthik,
sign it. We are going,
everybody.
okay?
You're not going to
Please
sign.
leave us.
It's already signed and you are out.
But
You're
how
just
come-
ordinary human being.
Without our knowledge. This is not valid.
Anything may happen without your knowledge. You did it right.
No, you want
without
validity?
our
You want
knowledge.
validity? Huh?
Oh,
You want
it's
The
validity?
only thing we know to have handle guns, right?
That's what I'm training. That's what I'm training.
No.
Where are you going? You take up my friend.
Oh, 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 oh.
You showed up late.
No.
Yes, Mirna, Kiran, and Mirna, Kiran, Prabhu Atya, your words are pending now. Prabhu Atya starts now. Okay, please move your yeah.
Sir, Ramesh here, sir, and I got the spacecraft, sir. All are ready, sir.
Sorry, can you ask again? He's asking the spacecraft is ready.
So you are having him as chief minister.
Chief Minister.
Chief industrial minister.
Yes.
You please give the question to me.
Is it a handkerchief or something?
Yeah, we will do something. You leave it.
Actually, now none of us have a question.
Yeah, Kiran. And Mirna then, respectively. Kiran, go.
So I really hope you understand how much you deserve this, and it's rightfully served. And like I've heard before, life is like a boomerang. When you do something wrong, it just comes back to you. So I really hope you know why this happened to you.
Exactly, that's planning words, I tell you.
I heard of.
What else?
The boomerang will be thrown, it will come back. So we will take the life will come back.
I will prove that with you. I take your life and let us see whether this comes.
Philosophy. See?
You're going to take care of his life.
I'm not going to take care of his life. I'm going to take his life. That's what I'm saying. As a matter of fact, that's what I'm going to do with
But
all the 5 minutes.
Yavaraj.
I'm more than that.
What is that?
I'm more
Yavaki.
than that.
No,
I'm
no,
more
no,
than
no. No one is greater than a God. Okay, don't get too ahead of him.
that. Okay, you shut up. Did anyone speak to you?
No.
And put that down inside. I meant your shirt.
Oh, yeah.
Mirna.
So the planet now where you're living is almost like destroyed, and what you're going to do, like the planet where there is nothing to live. So for going there, you just do something equal to this planet and go, right?
Answer that question.
We will take care of the planet.
Hey, give a legitimate answer. You
We will take care of
According to the Constitution of India.
give a legitimate
Yes.
That's
When
an
we-
officer that's speaking.
Yes, Madam, when we get to the planet, we will take care of the planet as if we are our own child. We'll send the coordinates and all the latitude, longitude, meteorite, that to you. You can come there if you want. If you want, you can come there, you can spend your life there, and we will be regarded as the
Why
person who
all
saved humanity.
Yeah.
Why not all the care given to this planet?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you please repeat?
Why not all the care you're talking about is you're not going to give this to this planet
Ma'am, it's very
where you're
good. Please,
living?
next
No,
question.
ma'am, once a kid
So
crosses
even being in the earth, you are not able to listen to the officer. And by going to the planet, is there any possibility to
Oh my
listen to
God,
the
she's not having problems.
that is
sir.
a
What can we
concept
do
of
for
what
that?
can we do?
Planets are out of the laws of the universe. Even gravity does not work properly in the planet. Only that person will be falling down on the planet because the gravity loves it.
Okay. No problem, sir.
And this idiot over here, he will fall down.
Sir, we will try
He,
to
walk,
fix the
he falls down
network.
when he's walking.
Mirna, madam, you fix the network and speak again, madam.
Hey, Peter Robinson.
Yeah,
This
one question
will
we
take
have.
you
On the
years.
planet,
You
on the
will
planet,
go
in the
in
planet,
the
The class is
So, Madam Mirna, you are right. And unfortunately speaking, these guys don't have a proper answer for
See,
any.
I have.
Ma'am, after one body dies, what you do? You burn it and you
See,
you
like,
burn it and you move on to the next one. Okay,
If
it's the
this
same
is
thing.
not
This
working-
body is burning now, we
Yeah.
are moving on to the next one. Next question.
we should have some
I
backup
have
plans.
fixed only silencer for the gun, not for
I
myself.
want-
Even I have an answer
Ma'am,
for
we have
that,
plan.
sir.
1 minute, ma'am. We have.
Even after burying, it acts as a fertilizer to the soil. So even after burying, it acts as a fertilizer to the soil.
Ma'am,
So
whenever-
you could do something recycling, right?
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
that
Let's recycle the earth.
happens.
Very nice idea from you.
Very second from the
Let's
small
recycle the earth.
social reformers. Whenever you go
Where are
for
you
important,
starting?
yeah, whenever you go for important decision, you need a backup plan, right?
Sound.
Whenever you go for a main important decision, you need a backup plan.
We will
That's
start
what
the
we are doing.
recycling.
Plan A and plan B.
We'll start the recycling with one property. Can we?
What?
Can I get your approval?
No, no,
With
no.
your dead
No,
body.
approval not granted. I'm
Without
going.
dead body.
Let's
Without
go to
dead
stage
body.
because oh my God. Okay, I'm going. I'm going.
Insensible.
Say. Listen, say.
Let's go. Let's go. Come.
See, this body said.
Leave. Just go. Leave.
Yeah. Hey, because
Don't come back as one of the chief executives mentioned. Don't come back.
We can
Yeah.
You don't
Get
like
to my
that.
house.
Hey,
Let him
I
come.
will tell you to stand. Stop.
Recycle it.
Yeah, come. He came.
I want more sentence.
Yeah, come. Come.
I want sentence.
Please. So as per the plot script, Peter Robinson, the UNO chief, and the social reformers, Archana, Shriya, and Leah, the social reformers, agented by the World Health Organization, have negotiated to the people, and they proposed an idea of going to a space, and the social reformers have left them static to go with their idea. So they are on a voyage right now, and they have gone to the space. Now Kalpita will explain the next sequence.
Sir, in this sequence, if possible, the person who have gone to the voyage, they can have some fun, making fun of the social reformers, like what are they doing here.
So they have reached the space.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Dave, இங்க வாங்க உள்ள வாங்க.
Let them find any planet.
Right. So you are this sequence, second last sequence. You are traveling in the spacecraft, and
Sorry.
you are not having any clue of finding any planet. So you are still flying over,
Oh my God.
and you are making fun of.
We are landing in moon.
So,
Sir, can we make it this according to Kalpita's sorry, I'm really sorry. So according to Kalpita's sir, do they die in space being very negligent, or do they live to come back to Earth? Because now it's they are 40 years old. Because she's 60.
They get rotten in the space.
We can make it into a Tony Stark sequence, sir, with the dying oxygen.
அப்படிலாம் உங்களுக்கு வந்து சொல்லி பில்டப் கீழே வாங்க, கீழே வந்து பீட்டர் ராபின்சன் கூட்டி போய் அவங்களை தூக்கல
Sir, space Tony Stark sequence எல்லாம் செட் ஆகும் சார், அவ்வளவுதான் சார்.
அப்படிலாம் முடியாது. பீட்டர் ராபின்சன் நீ வந்தா
நானே சத்தியம்
Sir, but விகாஸ் சர்மா வந்து செட் ஆகும்.
சரி
ஏன்னா விகாஸ் சர்மா வந்து
விகாஸ் சர்மா, வினேஷ் ஜான் மூணு பேரும் தூக்கல போறாங்க. ஓகே
Vinesh John.
சரி
சார் தெரியாம சொல்லுங்க சார் 20 சார்.
ஓடா சரி சரி.
நாங்க
So
ஸ்பேஸ்ல இருந்து வரோம் சார்.
this space இங்க நான் வந்து விகாஸ் சர்மாவை தரேன்.
இவங்க இருந்து வெளியே
இல்ல நான் ஸ்கிரீன்ல கட் பண்ணி
அவங்க எப்படான்னு இருக்காங்க சார் நீங்க.
இல்ல ஸ்கிரீன்ல நான் கட் பண்ணி
அப்ப நான் சரி
So sequence as Kalpita mentioned is there. The sequence as Kalpita mentioned, it is a spacecraft. Vikas Sharma and his co-ministers are not finding anything. Until now, they haven't found any space that could be accessible, that could be used for living, and that could be really considered as a kind of a survival place. But they keep making fun out of people and the earth, and they are really having the journey. But at the same time, there is also a mild fear that they might be lost. So that's how the sequence
Sir,
goes.
I doubt, sir. What will be the last sequence will be, sir? We will die in this space or we will come back?
No, you are
Sir,
not.
you will die in space, sir. அப்படிங்க.
சார் அப்பதான் சார்
Sir, sir,
Nitin.
is there a part in the scene, sir, where we can come on the intercom, sir?
Yeah, of course. I mean, okay, we will hypothetically see the situation as if they are connected to a device and you can speak.
Sir, அப்போ வந்து when we are connected, we will say
Okay, sir.
we are not getting sufficient oxygen, sir.
Sir,
நம்ம நார்மலா பேசிக்கிறதுல வருஷம் ரியாக்ட் பண்ணுவோம்.
Sir, then by one by one they will die, sir.
ரியாக்ட் பண்ணா
But plot la appadi illa. What was the actual plot ending?
Sir, they are coming back to the earth,
Oh my
sir,
God.
and they are realizing the mistake, sir. But this is also okay, sir.
No, realizing the mistake is fine. Space la unga saavu mudiyadhu.
realizing the mistake and dying or
Realizing the mistake
Sir,
and getting
அது கூட
mad.
இந்த நாடி சார் நான் அப்படியே பேசும்போது
Realizing the mistake and
realize the mistake. நான் எங்களோட உயிர் எங்களோட வந்து கெட்ட உயிர் வந்து நாங்க புனிதமான இடத்துல சாகுறதுக்கு விரும்பினா நாங்க மேலே செத்துறோம் மேலே காஞ்சோம்.
சரி சூப்பர் திஸ்
சார் பிளாட் எப்படிட்டாங்க பிளாட் மேலே எப்படிட்டாங்க என்ன சார் நீங்க இப்படி
Tony Stark
Tony Stark சும்மா சார்
சும்மா சொல்லுங்க சரியா?
தாமஸோட
மூணுக்கெல்லாம் அவ்வளோ ஈஸியாக ஒரு ஸ்பேஸ் ஸ்டெப் போயிட முடியாது. மூணுங்கிறது வேற விஷயம். அவன் அப்பவே சொன்னது வந்துட்டு ஜூபிட்டர் இருக்கிற மூணு.
லேண்டிங் பண்றது தான் இந்த மூணு போனோம்னா லேண்டிங் பண்றது அதெல்லாம்.
நீங்க மூணு என்ன வந்து சாய்பாபா வேலை போறோம். எல்லாராலையும் போக முடியாது.
மூணுக்கு போறாங்களா?
ஆமா மூணுக்கு போறோம்.
சார் வீடியோ செக் பண்றதா சார்?
பப்ளிஷ் செக் பண்ணு. அந்த வேலையை பப்ளிஷ்.
ஒன் பை டான்ஸ் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றோம்.
ஆமா எல்லாம் போறோம். ரியாக்ட்
நம்மனா
ரியாக்ட் சத்தம் வருது அலாரம் அடிக்குது.
எல்லாரும் ஒவ்வொருத்தரா லாஸ்ட் வேர்ட்ஸ் ஃபைனல் வேர்ட்ஸ் பேசிட்டு எல்லாரும் ஜெய்ஹிந்த் அப்படி சொல்லி சென்டர்
சீரியஸா பண்ணுங்க. அதையாவது காமெடி பண்ணுங்க. இல்ல சால்வ்
சார்
உங்களை வச்சு என்ன சீரியஸா
புல்வெரின் படத்துல லோகன் சொல்றாங்க சார். சைனோட சர்க்கஸ்
உங்களை வச்சு என்ன சீரியஸா பண்ண முடியாது. அது இவனை வச்சு
நீ சீரியஸா
serious acting.
But the people who are in the online form, they can also connect with the communication device and they can speak. As a matter of fact, we are going to start with that. So the light is going to be dim and properly fitting for this because the power has gone and everything is running over the UPS. So we can have this lighting and we will start with the online
So
people.
they're going to have serious acting.
Excuse me, sir.
Towards the end. First one, we will make fun out of it. That's yeah, Prabhu.
Sir, I'm Vishnupriya, sir.
Vishnupriya, yes, Priya.
Sir, actually, I got a power cut here and I left, sir, so I was not able to connect for some time, sir. I'm extremely sorry for it, sir.
No problem. You don't miss anything. So you just fall into the place, yeah.
Okay.
சொல்லுடா.
இல்ல சார் அது ரொம்ப பில்ட் அப் பண்றது சார் சீக்கிரம்.
என்ன நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
சார் இல்ல சார் நம்ம பேசிருக்கோம் சார். அப்ப அலாரம் அடிக்குது அப்படி சொல்றேன் சார். இப்ப லைட்ஸ் ஃபிளிக் ஆகுது சார். அதான் ஃபிளிக் ஆகுது சார். அங்க ஒரு இது வச்சுக்கலாம் சார். சரி சாக போறோம் அப்படினு தெரியும்.
யூபிஎஸ்ல வந்து இந்த லைட் இது பண்ணினா ஃபியூஸ் போயிடும். அதெல்லாம் வேண்டாம். ஓவர் பில்டப் கொடுத்து உடம்புக்கு எடுத்துக்காது. Okay, so you can start the online team. So we are in the spacecraft. Vikas Sharma, Anwar, John, Binesh, Karthik and Richard. Karthik has got his legs injured and he has got his shoulder injured. John, and Binesh has got his leg injured as well. The bullets have been removed and the medical facility has been given. 3, 2, 1, go. That's the plan. We thought it was surrounded by a hotel. You can find out easily.
Not for me. 69-year-old man. Now speak.
72 years old. We've been here for 3 years now.
Oh, sorry. I forgot.
This is not 31.
You're speaking very well loud. You're not speaking to them. Hey, why are you sitting in that seat? Come and sit.
I was
come
not
down.
speaking. See, I was having the heart pounded and
Hard bound.
Shivering in
That,
the hand.
that guy was a brutal. That guy was a brutal idiot, and he was loading in varieties of guns. I haven't seen so many guns. Even when the defense minister asked me to come for the meeting, I had fever on that day.
You
Right?
got that many crores, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, can't you buy one gun, one pistol? John have 3, I have 4. He have 2.
Do you really think that that guy was a kind of a person who can be negotiated about the bribe and all that? So he was, relentlessly he was putting the bullet on his legs and on his shoulders and on your leg also. You speak so much, but who escaped there without the bullet? It's me. See?
And
You
What we can
Are
do?
you able to stand properly now? Sit down.
You don't speak. There you are like woman against. Now you speak everything. See, like, this is a true word for me.
This spacecraft is an obsolete one, and you pick up trust. You got the spacecraft, and the lights are flickering, and we have got no resources here. And in this particular state, you are going to find
Excuse
space
me.
for survival
Excuse me.
for all those people.
Excuse me, he is the one who got the spacecraft.
He
not
was
you,
the one.
Not my friend.
He
Okay?
gave only the idea.
you idiot.
He gave only the idea. He gave.
Okay, da. You gave idea. You did this. You did that. We both only did everything.
Yeah.
What do you want us to do next?
Okay, see.
If we find a planet, this buffoon will say keep out it. Hey, you 78-year-old, what do you think again? Sit down.
But break the other shot.
Break.
Stop.
See, I can.
Stop
Hey,
fighting.
you
See, I'm not able.
Let's
I'm
have
not
fun,
able to
man.
stop it. See, something is stopping me. What is this sign?
That is called voltage.
No, idiot.
Hey, no.
Fans are the
Wait, no.
Am Am I a waffle for you?
Yeah.
Gravity error is working correctly.
It's correct way to check.
Stop, man.
So you're going to fly now. Oh my god! Oh!
What's wrong? See, this is what I'm speaking about.
Gravity is nothing.
Something called gravity.
Activate the
You're an expert in science. You got it. Explain what it is.
It deactivated the go.
Hey, this is called paralysis.
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 Hey, you. I will go.
I'm getting number over here. Do something.
Going.
Remote connection, you idiot, come here.
You know many things in science, and at times you are such.
Idiot, go to this.
You call me idiot next time.
Oh my
I'm
god!
not-
I got the gravity!
Switch it off, idiot.
You ready for it?
Switch it off, idiot. Hey, switch it off. It's hanging in balance. Switch it off.
Hey! Off the... Hey! You bloody...
Switch it off. You rascal.
Timing, sir. Idiot.
It's a kind of a game. We are laughing here. For
You
the
are not
first,
going to die anyway.
for a change, for the first time, I'm seeing the ladies inside my head when I'm dreaming, and those three ladies are.
What? Oh my god, you old man.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
old man.
that's gross.
You become
I'm
old.
scared of them.
Even
What kind
though-
of answer we are going to give?
I cannot reach you. I cannot grab
You just be quiet, okay?
What kind of answer we are going to give?
We are not going to reach them.
Hey, what kind of answer?
Oh
are
my
you-
god, you're not going to back for
See, the God and gravity each other is failing now.
He switched it.
Off and down.
This is zombie.
Don't do that. You might be giving a cardiac arrest for me. Don't do that.
Hey,
Old man.
see, the gravity is malfunctioning. Oh my God, the lights are flickering. Sit down. Sir, sit down. See,
Shall we speak some serious business here?
No,
Not
serious.
business. Some serious subject matter here. Yeah.
gravity is flickering. See, not functioning. Light is flickering on and off. The
Fuel
reactor,
is low.
fuel is low. By the way.
His brain is not working.
That guy's
His
brain
hands
doesn't
not
work.
working.
Due to his goddamn idea only they are here.
What
We've
you're
got some
doing?
people connected there. That TV kind of a thing that's having some faces. Hello? Can you see us?
Please help me.
Somebody please give the message to those social reforming ladies that we have found a planet. And please,
What planet is it?
we have found a planet called as Vimoy. Vimoy. V-I-M-O-R-I-R-E. Vimoy.
Vabja planet. It's a Vabja planet.
Okay, and please call us to Earth.
Okay, I will have the scientists research if there's a planet near you.
Right. And we have got some resources, and all five of us have been spending some quality time over there checking all the availability of resources. And there are
That is not quality time. We've been monitoring.
for us it's a quality time
24/7.
because we did not get proper food, and it's been about 3.5 years since we have come here. So for us it's quality time. You don't teach grammar to me, so you just speak to those ladies and call us to Earth. The reactor is also not working, man. We are in a serious condition.
Yeah,
You
it's
understand?
melting down.
Reactor melting down. Two people.
We will go.
You keep your hands there.
You keep the hands back.
I just turned on the gravity again, so do it.
என்னடா பண்றீங்க வாங்கடா இங்க வாங்க.
Reactor is melting down, sir.
Reactor is melting down. We are not able to do anything.
What do you mean the reactor?
We are going to die.
I don't understand science.
In
Tell me
another
the way
5 minutes we are
that I
going to kaboom.
The spacecraft will not work, okay?
No. We have people there.
No.
They can help.
How can they come to us? Don't be senile.
Okay,
Old man.
add some solutions. Lower engine also not working.
If the boat is dysfunctioning, they will send another boat, right? So they can.
If the boat is dysfunctioning, they should go down like the Titanic only.
There's no other way out, really?
We are going to die in 5 goddamn minutes.
The bigger question, you did not tell me that. Otherwise, I would have died in Peter and this burn itself. Why did you take me to the station? It's all because of that.
Okay, serious.
Don't tell the spacecraft, you land in Earth.
Go.
Safest
idiot. He asked if
He will go not out.
We reject you.
Yeah.
Can someone help us?
We are sitting in the cafeteria.
You are sitting in the cafeteria, what the hell, man? You go inside.
These two idiots have become
No,
so
we cannot
mad.
help you right now. You guys are in the
Oh, what
middle
do you
of
mean?
nowhere.
We are going to die in 5 minutes.
We are gone mad already and we want our lives back. Okay, man, we have understood our problems and it's a kind of a salvation moment where we feel that we should be given one last chance. I'm not able to speak. Why?
73 years is working again.
No.
Oxygen is low.
Radiation from the reactor.
Go fix it up.
The O2 filters are not nice.
Wait. Out of character. Yeah, people who are speaking from online, give me the names. Because I don't want you to get lost in this
Me,
class.
sir.
Yeah.
Me, Nitin, sir.
Yes, Nitin, tell me.
Okay, sir. Back in character, sir.
Yeah, right. Back in character. Come on.
Okay. So, you guys, we can help you one way, but you guys won't have your complete lives back.
You speak with an energetic and enthusiastic voice. We are not able to breathe here. And it's not time to avenge all the problems that we have done. And don't retaliate us. You please understand. And do something.
Well, I'm not retaliating you. I'm just saying you can have your lives, but it won't be completely like you guys used to live.
There is, if being 72 years old, if I am gasping for breath, that's a normal problem. These guys are strong and look at him. He is